Chronic hiccups can be tricky to understand because there can be a variety of underlying causes, but it turns out that one of the more common causes is a person having too much oxygen and not enough CO2 in the blood. When there's not enough CO2 in the blood, it can cause the blood to lean too far on that alkaline side and create an alkalosis issue. And one of the side effects of alkalosis is hiccups. It seems to be the body's way of trying to get more CO2 into the system to balance out the pH of that blood. So if you want to understand how to run simple self-tests at home to figure out if your blood might be leaning too far on that alkaline side, along with other common causes of hiccups, click on the link on the screen or in our pinned comment for our full video on why do I get the hiccups so often.